everyone, how's it going? I am in Blackpool today in the north of England, and it is a rainy, cold day. It is about 22 degrees, even though it's the middle of August. But there you go, that's north of England for you. Today I want to check out the place. I'm here for only a few hours. I have a train back to Manchester in the evening, but I have a few hours to walk around and explore the town. So yeah, join me and let's have a look around Blackpool. The North Pier, where the party center of Blackpool is. So let's check it out. Let's walk a bit around here and on the pier and see what it looks like. North Pier, pretty cool actually. It has a music venue, it has bars and pubs, some terraces, it has a mini amusement park, it has a theater, it has quite a lot of things actually, I'm surprised. So you want to come around, come here and chill out and have a drink and come with the family, that all really works. I wonder if North Pier is better than South Pier. I'm gonna check out South Pier next. But yeah, North Pier, pretty good. So getting to Blackpool was quite easy. I took a train from Manchester this morning. It was, I think, about £10, just under £10, and you get here in about an hour and a half. Now, most people don't know this, but Blackpool is the highest visited resort town in the UK, which is surprising. Most people might think it's Brighton in the south, but actually it's Blackpool, because people from the north of England come here, people from Scotland come here, and it's a really big resort town, especially in summer. A lot of tourists descend here just for the nightlife, the party. There's a beach here apparently, but it's not really, it's not really that popular with the weather and everything. Now it's the middle of August and it's 20 degrees, so You might catch a cold rather than get a suntan. But it is a pretty nice place. I have to say, I didn't expect much when I came here, but it is really chill, really cool. There's a lot of stuff to do around the center here. Just walking around, you can see over there in the distance. You have amusement parks. You have a Ferris wheel. You have the two piers. You have the tower, which is behind me there. You can go all the way to the top. Pubs, clubs, bars, terraces, lounges, music venues, and so on and so on. So it's quite active, quite busy. Even now in these uncertain times, it's quite busy here. So there's a lot of tourists, there's a lot of people walking around, just chilling out. It's kind of a rainy day now, so it's not really the best place to be walking around. It's actually raining right now. It's not too bad though. But yeah, there you go. So it's a really cool town. So you do it is, I kind of recommend to come here if you are in the north of England, on a day or two. And actually, I am now right next to the beach, and there are people having a swim. Have a look. Not the best beach I've ever seen, but it is somewhere to hang out. And I guess along these rows of around these seagulls, which don't seem to be annoyed much when I walk next to them. He's pretty chill. But over there in the distance there is a beach, and there's nobody suntanning, obviously. There's no sun to be had, but some people are even swimming, or kids mostly, I can see from here. And that is my next destination, the South Pier. Let's go check it out. So I was wrong, this is not the South Pier, this is the Central Pier. Because there's another pier over there in the distance. I'm not sure you can see it, but there's another one there. But this one is the Central Pier, and let's go check it out. Alright, so Central Pier, pretty much a small amusement park. A few small rides, pretty nice, mostly for kids though. So you will see a lot of families with kids hanging around and enjoying the place. So that's pretty cool. What I want to do now is I want to have a walk around the city, check out a few of the shops, check out a few of the places, see what they have. If there's anything a bit more interesting. I'm sure it's the nightlife that's the most interesting here, because you know, a lot of people come here, families during the day, but young people usually go out in the evening. So unfortunately I don't have an evening here. I'm gonna head back this evening. Don't have a night here, so I won't be able to check out the nightlife, but let's go check it out during the day and see what the town is like. All right guys, so that is Blackpool. A quick tour on a rainy and windy day. What can I say? I mean, it's a really nice town, very active, full of life, so definitely worth a visit, especially if you have a bit more time to stay here. For me personally, I could only stay for one afternoon, so saw as much as the town as I could. There's a pier here, is really nice. The seaside front is really cool, but the town as well is quite good. So I think in the evening and at night it gets really busy. So there you go, that's all for today's video. Next time I have no idea where I'm gonna be, so yeah, looking forward to that. See you then.